The good thing about this thing is that when you begin to do things like this, you master it and you become a king in that area. No woman will leave you. Why? Where she won't go? Who would treat her like that? Who will see her as much as you can see her? A lot of men think great sex starts in the bedroom with the light off, the right moves, and the woman mourning like something out of a movie. Well, here's the truth that most people never get to hear. For a woman, great sex starts way before you even touch her body. And no, it's not what you think. So if you've ever had a woman pull away from you emotionally or just seem not interested all of a sudden during intimacy, or she says something like, please, I'm not in the mood, then this video is for you. Too many relationships suffer because we're taught to chase pleasure instead of connection. And for women, it's not just about the technique or the stamina, it's about how you make her feel before, during, and even after intimacy. And that is why I talk about sexual intimacy within the confines of marriage, because honestly, that is when you really have the room to do the before, the during, and even the after. Some of you who are still in the waters, if you know what I mean, you wake up the next morning with your partner gone and you don't feel angry because you know somehow in your subconscious that she's not fully yours and you are not fully hers because you're not married. Let's come back to context. Where will you touch her? No, it's not her body, it's her mind first. It's her heart first. That's the foreplay that most men skip. And that is why most women are there physically, but mentally they're checked out. And before I even continue, I know some of you will be like, hey, but why is it always about pleasing women? Always, Wendy will always be talking about men pleasing women, doing this, doing that. What do these women really even do for us? The truth of the matter is that the moment you're able to satisfy your wife sexually, it's not just about her anymore, it's about you. Because now you have more confidence, you have a boost to your ego. You know that yes, na man you be, you know how to hit all the right spots, you know how to connect with her emotionally, you know how to meet her where she is. She's happy, you're happy, it's a win for everybody. The relationship is sweeter. I once spoke to a married woman who said, I can't remember the last time I felt touched emotionally. He's good in bed, but I feel alone most of the time. And that hits me. Because the truth of the matter is, she can mourn. She can even say, oh, baby, hit this, hit light like that, like that. She can do all of that. And at the end of the day, it might just be acting. She's just faking it. Because one thing we've come to understand as women is that when you do some of these things, sometimes it's like stroking the ego of a man. It's like making him feel like, oh, he's doing the right job. And because some of us just want to please this man, we just want to make you feel all right with yourself, we go to the extent of faking orgasm, faking like mourning unnecessarily when we're not really feeling anything. Jacob, I'm telling you reality. This is real talk. We say we're fine, but deep down we're starving. We seek real intimacy. So if you want to be truly unforgettable in her mind, it's really not about speed, not about technique, stamina, and not even about size. It's about making her feel emotionally safe and desired. With that being said, let's look at the three things that women desperately crave during intimacy. She needs to feel like you're with her, not just using her body to please yourself. For example, you lay in bed and instead of just reaching for her boobs and all of those things you do, you just lay there, keep the phone aside, and you look at her for real and you ask her, how are you doing? You look at her into her eyes, she would feel seen. She will know that, oh, this man is giving me attention. One thing we really do like is attention. If you don't know this, I don't know what you're doing as a man. Like, you need to understand that we just like attention. I think it's a natural thing, and there's nothing we can do about that. Give her the attention. Ask her, how are you doing? You look beautiful. She might not have all the makeups yet, she might not have her hair done yet, and yet you can still see her beauty, you can still desire her in that state. She's going to feel seen and she will become emotionally connected to you. And when you ask her, how are you doing? Most of the time, if she senses that you're really there, you can see her, she would tend to open up and tell you some things. All you need to do in that moment is just to listen. Even when you see a problem that you want to fix immediately, just listen. And that is you deepening your emotional connection. When it comes to presence, it's not just about you rushing the whole process. It's about you watching her body rhythm. Okay, some of you just do, I don't want to use the word mindless effing. Like you're just doing it, you're just doing it for doing sake. You're not really looking at the person, looking at your wife and seeing if she really connects with your moves or anything you're doing. You're just like just to jacking off. Okay, Presence entails you being there, watching her facial expression, seeing if she truly enjoys what you're doing. Like all of these small, small things is what is going to deepen your connection. You don't even know it. You think maybe it's one giant task you need to carry out. No, it's just about you being very aware of yourself, being aware of the person you're with, looking at her directly in the eyes, trying to monitor her body movement and language, and trying to see the things that really make her spark and or not. So it's just being there, like the word presence, just being there with her goes a long way. When it comes to validation, we might not ask for it, but you giving us that validation is all that matters most of the time. Let's say, for example, she's in the kitchen trying to clean up and all of that. She's in her bonnet, pajamas, and hasn't even showered yet. But you're able to see her and you're like, do you know how beautiful you are just standing there? Do you know how you make my kitchen look so beautiful? Like small, small things. Like I did tell now, you know, hard. These are small things that when you pay attention to, you will be able to do it. And when you know, the good thing about this thing is that when you begin to do things like this, you master it and you become a king in that area. No woman will leave you. Why? Where she won't go? Who would treat her like that? Who will see her as much as you can see her? So many men are focused on making this woman have orgasm, which is great. Like we all want it to because it's difficult for us, not as simple as it is for you guys, right? So if you're able to make her have that, it's beautiful. But then, even in doing that, you also need to connect with her emotionally because it's possible to make a woman orgasm and then she's not even emotionally connected to you. It's not just about touching her body, all of the right spots. It's about touching her mind, like I said, touching her heart, making her melt and looking at you and knowing that yes, she's connected to this man. She can feel safe with this man. She can feel desired by this man. So now you know, great sex starts way before the bedroom, and it all boils down to how you treat her when no one is watching. How do you talk to her? How safe do you make her feel? Just know that once you're able to make a woman feel safe, feel seen, and deeply desired by you, you would never have to struggle to get her body. Like she's going to give it to you, she'll chase you around because she feels you, she's connected to you. Anytime she sees you, she just wants to be with you. And you now you go the run safe for the matter. Do you get? Because she knows that her heart and emotions are safe with you. If this video helped shift your thinking, then share it with the man who needs to hear it. And if you're a woman watching me, you think that everything I said is not what great sex is to a woman, then please by all means drop it in the comment section. Let me know what is great sex to you. Thank you so much for watching. And as a man, if you're thinking, but where do I really need to touch a woman? Now I've gone past the stage of emotional connection with my woman. I am connected with her. I know what she likes. But when it comes to bedroom activities, I don't really know where to touch, how to start. Then check out this video. I got you. I know you like it. I'll see you there. Cheers.